Business modeling is one of the most core activities at Vishwaniketan. We believe business modeling is an absolute necessity for Indian engineers because the markets are going through a transformation. The Indian economy is going through a transformation, and we need business modeling as a strong base to create successful startups.
Innovation distinguishes between a leader and a follower.
A big business starts small.
Featuring the aces, creating the model.
Business opportunities are like buses. There is always another one coming.
Architecting the groundbreaking user experience.
Passion, let us hear.
Learning the ropes of business. Young, think hard.
E. What is next?
Example is leadership.
The base of business is self-belief. If opportunity doesn't knock, wait to do.
Learn to start business at Vishwaniketan.
Truth makes you free.
The winds of education blows at Vishwaniketan.
Faith and knowledge. At Vishwaniketan, we strive to persist and to excel.
Working to make a life better.
Put your heart at work with us.
At Vishwaniketan, we mold you into the world of product innovation.
Come experience Vishwaniketan.